Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to forward whole WhatsApp chat. And the first thing is open the chat. You want to forward to, let's say I want to forward all these chats. So what you do is that you press down this all the chats you want to forward one after the other, and once you're through with them, you tap on the send up here. Now to the person you want to send it to, or you can simply even export everything. Want to forward everything, just tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on more and tap on export chat, and then you can choose without media for it to be faster, and then you send it to the person you want to send it through. Maybe you can send it through WhatsApp and send it to this particular person. Tap on send, and then it is sent. Now the person will open it up like this by tapping on it. Open it with either files by Google or your files. Then next thing the person is going to do is going to have to select the chart. There's a chart, select it, and at the bottom tap on extract because the chart saved as a zip chart, so you have to extract it. So you give it a name, let's say D, then tap on extract, give it a few minutes, and it is done. And then now when you tap on it again, you open it with a reader. Let's say there are different types of reader out there. You tap on the I'm using the moon reader, so you open up the moon reader, and that's it. It can be extracted and can be read easily. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to forward whole chats on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.